What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. Today I'm actually putting on makeup to get ready for filming some other videos. So since I was going to be using two different palettes that I haven't used before, I thought I would go ahead and film it for you guys. I got this in my birthday haul, the Juvias Place Zulu palette, and it looks like that. Nice pretty bright colors. And then I also have a new palette from UCANBE called the Starry palette, and this is an all glitter palette. It has, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12 pressed glitters that are in a base, and then 4 chunky glitters. These are kind of in an oily base, and these are kind of in a gel base. And these are chunky, heart-shaped, multi-dimensional colors. I did some swatching on my hand. I'll insert a picture here. I tried glitter glue, I tried it just on bare skin, I tried it with the primer. I did several different things and I never really could get it to be opaque, so this might be a train wreck, but I'm going to try anyway. So if you'd like to see, train wreck or not, what I come up with, then please keep watching. City view I see, won't you ride with me? Cigarettes and peace, thinking next to me. Come with me to highway blue. I've been on the road to you. Come with me to highway blue. I've been on the road to you. I've been on the road. I've been on the road.
Life ain't like what I vision yet. 4 more figures, gotta get it. Take some time, go figure. Yeah, LA, no place better. Yeah, I'm the man that I am. If I say that I can't, then I can't. So the blue in the mood, I would fly if I could. On now with the woods, we don't cry, we don't cut, we the power, we the hope. As in, I say no to the call. City view I see, won't you ride with me? Cigarettes and peace, thinking next to me. Come with me to highway blue. I've been on the road to you. Come with me to highway blue. I've been on the road to you. I've been on the road. I've been on the road. I've been on the road. You should pull up, let me pull up. I could pull up. I've been driving too long. I've been swerving your responses. Was in my car in the back parked out. I'ma take to highway blue. It's not that far if I leave right now. I can see the city view. Under LA lights at the traffic light before I'm falling through. Take my keys, I shouldn't drive on the highway blue. City view I see, won't you ride with me? Cigarettes and peace, thinking next to me. Life ain't like what I vision, yeah. 4 more figures, gotta get it. Take some time, go figure, yeah. LA, no place better, yeah. I'm the man that I am. If I say that I can't, then I can't. So the blue in the mood, I would fly if I could. On now with the woods, we don't cry, we don't cut, we the power, we the hope. As in, I say no to the call. City you I see, won't you ride with me? Cigarettes and peace, thinking next to me.
I'm gonna go in with Soar and Dolly by MAC and by Buxom.
You should pull up, let me pull up, I could pull up.
Alright, on my lips I put Soar by MAC all over my whole lip and Dolly by Buxom gloss on over that. Okay folks, so this is not exactly a wearable look, and that's the reason why I did it today, because I knew I didn't have to go anywhere. And if I did, you know, they can just look at me crazy if they want to. It is Oklahoma. Just a quick review. I really like the way that these performed. You guys know I'm not a big fan of yellow, and so the fact that that is so yellow up there is a little bit off-putting to me. I did use glitter glue on both of these, of this color here that I put all over the lid, and this chunky business that I put on the inner corner that's like stars and hearts and everything else, and we'll see if it stays put. I didn't have a lot of fallout, but I wasn't able to get it to be opaque either, even after I went over it with the glitter glue again to try to fill in the places. So I just put it really concentrated towards the inner and kind of gradiented, made a gradient of it on the way out, where it was just a little bit less on the outer corners, I guess. But anyways, this is the final look. I do think it's pretty. I think it's interesting. I think it's avant-garde. It's not something that I think is gonna not get some weird looks when I go into town today, but it's whatever. I'm getting ready to film an Allure beauty box, and so you get to see this again, or you'll get to see how I did this after you already saw it on the Allure beauty box. So thank you for hanging out with me and checking out this interesting look that I created here. And if you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna back you out so you can see that I actually do have some hair. With these really fancy looks, I like to go into slow motion and give you a really close and personal look at this. So here we go on 3, 2, 1.
You should pull up, let me pull up, I could pull up. I've been driving too long, I've been swerving your responses. Was in my car in the back parked out, I'ma take to Highway Blue. It's not that far if I leave right now, I can see the city view. Under LA lights at the traffic dot before I'm falling through. Take my keys, I shouldn't drive on the highway.
So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.